Welcome everyone.
This is the networking project inside which I have created the college network, and the title for it like college network system. I have created a document here. So these are the points we will be covering in this video. The title for this project is college network system, and we'll be exploring the given points, that is introduction, network overview, ping test, and then packet sending, web server, DNS server, email server, and conclusion. So let us see one by one. First one is introduction. So as we can see, this is the college network system. This is one of project which is I have designed by myself totally. So there are two different networks, as you can see clearly. The, the upper network is specifically for the ground first floor, and the below one network is specifically for ground floor. This one is for the first floor, and this one is for the ground floor. And each of them has different two routers, that is ISPs. As you can see, here is the router that is BSNL L1, and here is the another router which is BSNL L2. So these are two ISPs for two different networks. We will explore one by one. First one is computer department, inside which I have created total of 5 labs, and the one room is for the server room where I have stored 3 servers, and I have enabled the services of each of them. The next one department is medical department, medical electronics we call it. Then it has its own switch. Then there is one lab. Next department is civil department, inside which there is switch and there are different 4 labs. Next one is workshop, inside which there are like 4 PCs, and respectively they are like connected in this network as well. So let us see now below network, that is ground floor, wherein there is this router, that is BSNL L2. First one is office, inside which there is principal PC, and then there is a printer which is commonly shared within all this network. There is the server room, inside which there are 3 servers, that is email server, web server, and DNS server respectively. Also here is office staff room where I have connected one printer and then some other end devices, that is computer and PCs. Next one is mechanical department. Also, there are 2 labs and HOD cabin is also there. Next one is polymer department where I have created one lab, or we can say polymer staff. Then there is a HOD cabin as well. Then next one, last one is science lab where I have created 2 labs for science kind of department. Uh, and yes, this is the overview of network. Now we will explore one by one, uh, side by side. First one is ping test. We will do ping test in this network to see how it operates. We will refer the first one network for every operations, and similarly same concept has been implemented in the ground level network as well. So we will most of the time refer to this one network, that is ground one network. We will do ping test from one PC to another. As you can see, this PC has IP address of 192.168.10.10, and this PC has the IP address of 192.168.10.50. From this PC, we will send ping tester to 10.10 PC, and we'll see do it gives reply or not. Ping for 192.168.10.10. So as you can see, we have received and reply, we have gotten reply from that PC. That means both of these devices are within same network and they are now able to communicate with each other. So this one was very simple ping test. Now we will see another next one is, that is packet sending. Packet sending. So we will send packet from one PC to another PC within this network. So I select the packet. I will go to the PC23. I click on that PC, and now I will go to the PC48. Okay. As I click on this PC, here I get the signal that is successful. And now we can see also the simulation of this packet movement. We will click on, I have clicked on simulation, and now you will get to see the movement of that packet as it has reached from source to its destination. So as you can see here, the packet movement has been started. Packet starts from PC 23, then it goes to the switch. Simultaneously, its activity has been captured also here in this table. This packet comes here now. This now goes to its destination PC, that is PC 48. Now once that packet has been received, it will take the acknowledgement signal and will go back again from this PC to the sender, that is source. As you can see here, it is traveling. Now it will go to the this switch and will go back again to the source where from it has came in. And once that process will complete, here signal will be changed to successful. Yes, here we can see the signal is successful. It's signaling that the packet has been received, the process has been completely done. So we have seen now the packet movement. Next concept we are going to see is uh, web server. So as you can see here, I have taken one web server. I have installed it in this network web server for which I have assigned the IP as 168.10.1, that is 192.168.10.1. Now if you go to any PC and search uh, for the IP address, that is 192.168.10.1 or 10.90. So now we will see the concept of web server. As you can see here, I have added one server and have assigned IP to that server, that is 192.168.10.90. If you go inside, you will get to see here the IP address. Now uh, for the every PC that is in this network, and the server is also within the same network. So now if I go to the any PC and search for that IP address through the web browser of any PC, you will get to see the website which is hosted by this web server. Now uh, I will little bit try to explain about the concept. As we have seen in theoretical subject that there is the server and there is the client. When client requests us for a server for a specific service, it accepts that request and then gives results based on it. So similarly, when I request from any PC for a service which is provided by this web server, I get that access of that service. As you can see, here is the one website which is I have hosted from this web server. Clearly, I we can see it is available here, or that request has been accepted by this server, and we can see that website. So remembering all these IP addresses isn't a possible thing for any human being. So the concept of DNS server came in, that is domain name system. So instead of searching for this IP address, if I simply search for uh, gpmirrors.education, that is gpmirrors.education, simply I can go on same web page which I had need to go through the IP address. Remembering IP addresses is not a easy task. That is why we use the domain name system. As you go on the Google and search for gigs, instead of that, if you had to search for 192.168, let us suppose 10.97, it was hard to remember those numbers. That is why the DNS concept has been came in, and we just saw those two servers and their implementations, or you can say like their uses. On this website, there are another pages, that is about us. If we click on that page, we will redirect to another page, create a little bit like overview of the college and all that. And similarly, the same concept has been implemented in the below network as well. As you can see, there is the web server which has 10.0.0.48 as IP address, and there is DNS server as well, and there is email server as well. So we will simply go here and we will search for 10.0.0.48, and we will see the result. Same way, if we search for, instead of searching for that IP address, if we search geeks4geeks.org, similar result will be get in result. So we will search instead for the name instead of that IP. So geeks for geeks.org, geeks4geeks.org. So as you search for this website, you get this result because the server is present within that network. It accepts your request and it gives the result based on that request. So simply when you typed this, when I typed gigs for gigs, my request went to DNS server. Inside DNS server, I have already configured a service for uh, DNS service. I have already here configured gigs4gigs.org. This is the my domain name, which is I have added from here, as you can see here, and here I have entered already the IP address, as you can see 10.48. So it's a simple concept. We add the name, then we give the IP address of that web server, and simply we click on add. So this is how DNS server works. The last one is email service, which I have enabled in both networks. So if we go on this PC, and if we have to send any email from this PC to this PC, workshop PC, that is PC 84, from PC 30, we will go simply inside PC 30 and go into the service of email, and we'll compose a mail for PC 84, PC 84, PC 84 at the rate gmail.com, at the rate gmail.com. We'll just let us suppose there is the subject that is of testing, and if we see simply hey hey PC84, and we will click on send. As you can see here, the we get the signal or kind of message that send success. Now we will go inside PC84 and we'll check whether that message has been received or not. So let's go for that desktop and then email service and then receive. As you can see here, we have email already received from PC30. We can reply also to that email. Hey, I just got your message. I just got your message. So this is the simple concept of the mail in network. So the reply have been sent, and here also we will get to see that reply as well. So it's a simple thing, nothing much complicated with it in this. So this is the concept of three servers, that is email server, web server, DNS server, and the respective services, and uh, implementation of networking devices, that is router, switches, then different end devices as well. And each of these device has been configured. As you will get to see, there is the router, and I have already configured it, and it will ask for password which is 123, and now only I am like able to go inside it and I can now do any configuration. So that is it. Thank you.